So today I just wanted to discuss about one overlooked item, which is the engine oil filler cap, because the seal is worn out on this. I'm replacing it because there's oil that's leaking all around the valve cover here because of the leaky oil cap. You can see some oil that's leaking from here because the seal is completely worn out, and so I ordered a new oil cap from the Toyota dealership, part number 12180-F4010. Now over time the seal on the oil cap they wear out over time because you need to remove them and reinstall the oil cap every time you do an oil change. And so this one is a brand new one, and so the seal is nice and intact on this. On the old one, it's all squashed and flattened. It's causing the crankcase vapors from the PCV system, positive crankcase ventilation, and so this is part of the PCV system as well, and so the gases and the oil are escaping from here. It's not enough to cause a severe vacuum leak or drivability problem, but it's enough to cause an oil leak on this engine. So from time to time, when the oil cap, when they wear out, it's a good idea to replace them every now and then. So you can see here all of the oil that's leaking. This is not from a previous oil spill. This is from the oil cap that's leaking from here, because there isn't anything else that's leaking on this 2015 Toyota Sienna. This is the 2GR FE engine, so it's a 3.5 liter V6 engine, and you see a bunch of oil that's leaking all around in the vicinity of the oil cap area. And so I'm just going to install the new oil cap now, just like so, and I'm probably going to wash all of this off. So in case that you're getting oil around this area, it's probably best to replace the oil cap. That's just my quick tip for the day.